Want to make quick money by scalping Pokemon cards? Here's how you can do it ethically and efficiently. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Understand the market. First, research the market to understand which Pokemon cards are in high demand. Look at cards like Charizard, First Editions, and Holo Rares. They tend to hold the most value. Step 2. Find undervalued cards. Look for undervalued cards at retail stores, online marketplaces, and auction sites. Sometimes you can find cards selling for cheaper than their true market value. Use platforms like TCG Player and eBay to check prices. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 3. Buy low, sell high. When you find a good deal, buy the cards and wait for their value to go up. Sell them on eBay, TCG Player, or Facebook Marketplace for a higher price when demand spikes. Step 4. Utilize card grading. To increase the resale value, consider grading your cards with services like PSA or Beckett. Cards with higher grades can sell for significantly more money, especially rare ones. Step 5. Sell quickly and take advantage of trends. Be sure to sell quickly when prices are high. Pokemon card values can fluctuate, so timing is everything. If a new set drops or a card becomes popular in a game, that's when you want to capitalize on your sales. That's how you can scalp Pokemon cards and make fast money. Research the market, buy undervalued cards, grade them, and sell when the demand is high. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.